This is the P03 Hybrid smartwatch. Check it out. AMOLED screen, real hands glow in the dark, sapphire mirror glass, steel case, ceramic back, 5 ATM waterproof. You can definitely swim with this one. Rubber bands, leather bands, Qi charging, wireless charging, 5 minutes gives you 7 days of life. And what can you do with it? You can cycle yourself through a variety of different watch faces, sync it to the app it tethers with. You can get your step count, calories burned, distance traveled information in a wheel, a relaxation activity for 2 minutes, breathing in and breathing out. You've got a real-time heart rate measurement in here, and on the app, 2 ways of displaying it, average or in a scatter diagram. You've got walking, running, and cycling activities that you can start for exercise from the watch, last night's sleep time, a music player to remotely play music on your watch, and weather in whatever city you set. And look at how brilliant that watch face is, all in the background of analog hands. It's called the P03. It is really revolutionary, hybrid, solid build, and did I mention 5 ATM waterproof? Yeah, check it out.